Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to do another iPad video. And as you can see, I got my 12.9 iPad Pro. Been tickled to death with it here lately. It is not a laptop replacement. It is a special device. So yesterday we put a screen protector on it. Made a video on that, put it out there. Here's a link to it up here above my head somewhere. I'm left-handed and I'm backwards, so it's always somewhere. So I said yesterday in yesterday's video that I'd be showing a USB-C hub for the iPad Pro. But it's a Baseus, B-A-S-E-U-S, I guess how you pronounce it. It fits on the corner of the iPad. It gives you 6 ports. Let me find where they are. I can't hardly see them today. So it's got a 4K HDMI, 60 Hertz. It's got power pass-through for USB-C, a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, a standard SD card slot, a micro SD card slot, and a USB Type A slot. So let's turn the camera around, put you in front of the iPad, and we'll unbox this dude and see how it does. This one was $36. I ordered 2 other ones I was trying to get by cheap. One of them was $24, one of them was $26, and they didn't have the features, and they didn't work all that good. So we're going to see if this dude right here will do what we need to do, because I need to be able to transmit data, put something on another screen, get something off a USB drive, SD card. If my Bluetooth headset's not working, plug in a set of headphones. So let's unbox this thing. All right, hopefully you can hear me. We'll go ahead and unbox this. It's the Baseus, I guess I'm saying it right, hub. Well, they need to work on their packaging. That's not good at all. No. So you cut that and it comes out the front. That is weird. Okay. So the packaging is a lot like all the others. Man. So inside this flap we have a very painful way to get something out. Okay, that's all Oriental. I don't do Oriental. It's got several different languages. Okay, shows how it goes there and how to power up and all that stuff. Got several different languages. I mean, if you're bilingual, this is the thing to buy, I guess. Not much there. Got a little plug over the USB-C port. Now, one thing it does have, it has a little magnetic spacer. If you have a real thin, if you're just going on the iPad itself, you put this in. If you're going out here, and one of the problems I may end up having with this is this case, this Logitech Slim Folio Pro, has a rubber bumper. So let's see what we got here. This may cause us an issue. Yep, it's going to cause us an issue. Doggone it. Unless I can do it like that and it not screw something up. Yeah. Okay, I think that'll work. It's on there good and sturdy and I'm not scratching anything. Okay. Now we'll take it and just plug the USB-C in. Like that. Now if we see the little blue, okay, so we're hooked up. It doesn't look too obtrusive. Let's see if it's functional now. Sorry for all the noise. So I've got a bunch of different devices here. I've got I got a standard SD card. Let's try that first. Grab my mouse. So everybody will tell you that you need a $100 mouse to run an iPad or a MacBook or a Windows machine or anything. That right there is a $20 Logitech Bluetooth mouse. It's a M535, I'm sorry. And it is a dandy little mouse. It works great. I really enjoy using it. Fits my hand. You know, it's not big. It doesn't have a ton of buttons, but it works good. So I'm going to record my screen. Okay, I'm recording my screen. And if we'll look over here, we have no name. And here's the different files I got. I didn't mean to open that. So that worked good. I'll go ahead and pull that out. I have I'm still recording. I have a micro SD card. Plug it in. Somewhere. That works. Here's the boot off my Raspberry Pi. That's awesome. Take it back out. Okay, here I have just a standard USB 3 32 gig drive. And it should go in the top. Bang, there it is. Everything's good and snappy. Everything on the iPad is fast anyway. I have a USB 3 256 gig drive. And a lot of YouTubers tell you if you don't get a terabyte drive, you're just screwing up. You know, your life will never be the same unless you have that. And I'm here to tell you, if you do a little maintenance on your machine, whether it be an iPad or a computer, you don't need all that. Plug that in. It's blinking, and there it is, video projects. Bang. It plays. And it plays good and fast too. Awesome. Okay. So the next thing, and this is something where I'm struggling because my monitor is a DisplayPort VGA monitor, my 27-inch behind me here. So what I'm going to do, I have a VGA cable with a HDMI adapter for a Raspberry Pi. I'm just going to try that for right now. I'm going to see if we got enough power to power it up. And there it is. That'll work right there. That's what do you think about that? So if I want to hook it up, this is just a 1080 monitor, but that's a good fish right there too. I like it. I do believe that'll work. There's my truck. I believe this hub is going to work for us. And I've got the 3.5mm jack too. So, all right. There'll be a full link in the description there'll be a link in the description for this. Like I said, it's $36 and awesome. Good deal. Okay, there you have it. The unboxing of the Baseus USB hub. You can see it right there, and it's got the little line on. It's a little obtrusive on there, but for what I'm using it for, it's going to do great. I'm happy with that because the other two I had ordered just didn't do worth anything. So, and on top of that, everybody always asks, hey, is this a laptop replacement? Well, for some people it could be. It depends what you do. I don't want a laptop replacement. I have a laptop. When I'm doing my stuff over here, I don't want to be on that because I've got 18 tabs open, 7 applications. I mean, I'm multitasking. I want this to be a specialty device. So I've got my Logitech keyboard, which I really like because it's just a keyboard. And I have my Logitech mouse, M535. It's Bluetooth, both of them are Bluetooth, and both of them work really well. You don't have to break the bank to do what I'm doing here. The Lightroom applications, LumaFusion, emailing, browsing, playing games. This thing is just fantastic, and I really enjoy it. I could have got one of these guys over here, but I do this all day long, every day. I'd rather have just a simple device to do what I need to do, and it's very fast, and I just enjoy using it. But anyway, there'll be a link in the description. I hope that email just didn't pop up right there. Link in the description. Like I said, it's $36, and it works. So, hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. That other button works too, but we're not going to use it. Hit the little subscribe button. Hit the bell to be notified. Just a little while ago, we were at 436 subscribers. And let me put this out there. It don't cost a dime to do that. As a matter of fact, I'm subscribed to about 450 channels because I just sit and watch everything when there's nothing on TV. So it doesn't cost you a dime. Hit that button and let it let you know when I'm gonna put a video out. Hope everybody's having a great day. Hope everybody's having a great week. And until the next video, thanks for watching.